Hello students, today I am going to teach you about testes. We were doing male reproductive system. So today I am going to take testes. We have already seen that these are the primary sex organs. Testes are small oval structure about these are small oval structure about 4 to 5 centimeter long, and these are remain suspended in a sac-like structure called as scrotum. So testes are 2 in numbers and these are suspended in a pouch-like structure called as scrotum, and its position is extra-abdominal. This is very important. Extra-abdominal. So here we can see the testes are remain suspended in a pouch-like structure. These are small oval in structure and these are present in pairs, and these are suspended away from the abdominal cavity. These are extra-abdominal. And why these are extra-abdominal structures? Because for the reason for this, for spermatogenesis, that is the formation of sperms, the temperature that is required for its synthesis is 2 degrees Celsius below the body temperature. Sometimes this question is asked. So why the testes are extra-abdominal in nature? Why these are suspended below the abdominal cavity? The reason for this is that for this spermatogenesis, the temperature that is required is 2 degrees centigrade below the body temperature. And we can say that that is why these are remain suspended down the abdominal cavity. Now we can see that these testes or scrotum is attached with the abdominal cavity with this canal, and this canal is called as inguinal canal. Now we will see the covering. The testes is covered by 3 layers. The first layer, if we see here, these are oval structure, and this oval structure is surrounded by a dense layer, and this is fibrous in nature. And this layer is called as tunica albuginea. This is the middle layer. Then again it is surrounded by a thin layer or covering, the outermost covering, and this outermost covering is called as tunica vaginalis. And this is the outer covering. Now the third innermost covering here, it is called as tunica, no, vasculosa. Vasculosa. It is the innermost covering. Innermost covering, and it consists of a fine network of capillaries which is made up of connective tissues. So here it is the structure of testes, which is surrounded by three layers. The outermost layer is called as tunica vaginalis, which is the outermost, and these all layers are protective in function. And below this layer, the tunica albuginea middle layer is present, and this is fibrous in nature. And the innermost layer or covering is called as tunica vasculosa, which is made up of fine capillaries and which is made up of blood capillaries, or you can say connective tissues are there. So here we have seen it. We'll take a quick review. Testes are primary sex organs. These are small oval structure, approximately 4 to 5 centimeter long. These testes are suspended in a sac-like structure that is called as scrotum, and these are also two in pair. So this testes is suspended below the abdominal cavity because for spermatogenesis the temperature that is required for it is 2 degrees centigrade below the body temperature of adult male. So here we can also see that these testes or scrotum remain attached with the abdominal cavity with the help of canal, and these are the muscles, and this canal is called as inguinal canal. Again, we will now see the three coverings that the layers that are present around these testes. The testes are covered by a fibrous structure, and this layer is called as tunica albuginea, and it is the middle layer. And around this another thin layer is present that is also protective in nature, and this thin layer is called as tunica vaginalis, and the innermost layer is called as tunica vasculosa, and this is formed by a network of capillaries and connective tissue. Now again, in next lecture I will show you the internal structure of testis.